Mooi trek. Yet again another early start here. This time we're in STILBAAI, here on the local beach. Got a very flat and calm sea today. It's actually a bit too flat, but we're going to take our chances on an early morning raggy or a black ray, and then as the day progresses we'll just wing it and fish the conditions. We might move over to Jongenfontein, fish a bit on the rocks there, fish for either the bronzy, the hammerhead, and if you're lucky this time of the year you can get a yellowtail, and then it's either that or on the high tide we will go and fish for duckbill. So I don't know exactly what's going to happen today. We're just going to, like I said, fish the conditions. So hopefully I'll catch something that I can show you guys. So stay tuned. Okay. Early morning wade. Woo. Love it. Beautiful. Water is very flat. Whew. Oh well. Just lucky to be out here. Man, I love it. Okay, bait is in. I'm just gonna put my rod in the sand spike, as you can see behind me. And I've got Zandre with me, my 7-year-old son. So he wants to catch a fish, so I'm just going to fix up this bait, see if he can't catch a lekker fish this morning. See, there's a bit of grass in the water. Hopefully it's just in the shallow water. In the first set of waves I can see my rod is not bouncing or anything from the grass, so I reckon it's just in the shallow water where the grass is. So let's get a bait in the water for Zandre. Okay, first throw of the morning, feels like it's a raggy, and we're on. Yes please. Woo-hoo-hoo. Love it. That must be a raggy. Feels like quite a lekker fish. Feels like a goodie. Oh, there it's on the surface. Oh, I don't know. Usually when it's on the surface like that, now I'm not so sure if it's a raggy anymore. This might be something else. There's no way a raggy breaks off like this. Then it jumped. Not jumped, it just thrashed on the surface. And now it's going properly, like you can see there. Ek het gesien.
Los op my net.
Ek het die white gestaan.
Wat is dit? Hierdie ding het my ek kon nie uitfigure of dit 'n reggie is of wat dit was nie, want dit is so klein visie se byt. Dit klim so stadig. Net so op en
Want hy was nou bo die water daar.
ernstig.
Ja. Weet jy wat jy nie vir daai klong help hoor.
Gooi maar, kan jy pens my gooi?
So.
Dan is die highlight.
And yeah, there it is off. Well, it's better that way. I suspect it was a great white shark, and they're illegal to catch here in South Africa, and illegal to land them. So I just held onto it, and yeah, it's off now. But phew, was quite a strong fish that, and yeah. Would have only pulled it into the shallow water and then cut the line or just clip the wire. But yeah, better that way that it's off. Don't want to cause any trouble, eh? So that's the damage that shark did to my trace, and eventually it bit me off. Like I said, it's better that way, better that I lost it. Definitely a great white, and you don't want to get in any trouble by landing one of those. So yeah, a lot of pressure, steel wire eventually broke or it bit me off, and yeah, as you can see, got a lot of teeth, got a lot of teeth this fella. Right, let's get a bait out again and catch another fish. Yeah. Wat is dit? Oh, derde keer is tight. Wat is dit, een hond? Threw a small shad head out, and now it's tight. Pulled away quite well.
Oh, that's in the corner.
Yeah, perfect. Got him. 12 big AK. In line. For the belly. Derek, is you right? Okay. Lekker. Because Sandra is on. Mooi Boeta! Ze zeker is aan. Nee, te verloor.
Wat was het?
Ja, dan dit was solid.
Ai, Boetie. Ik weet
Dit
niet.
was 'n drag, wat is 'n drag? Ah. Ja, het gelyk of dit 'n vaste drag is af.
Ai, kijk rol maar uit Boetie.
Daar was solid. Moet ek dit tot so ek lekker asem sit weer.
Yes, so.
Wat was
Ek sien hoe voor by
Weet het.
moet ek jou vind. Ja, ja, sê. Nee, dit is so.
Je moet trek en op in Boeta. Kom maar, sit down. Ai, unfortunately Sandra lost this one. Just came out of the hood. But we'll get him here. Well, we'll get another bite out for him. And hopefully we can land this one. Convert it into a fish. Oh. Oh. Had a big shad head out. And here we're on. Sure. Unported.
Ja, nog eens dit anders.
Gee, this thing is angry. I threw a big shad head out, and I put a rod in a sand spike, and helped Zandre with the bait, and threw, just waited out and threw a bait for him. And as I got back, this rod was shaking like crazy. And he's out of the hook. So I'm having one of those days. Absolutely destroyed my trust. Look at this. Presume you can't always have it your way, eh? But yo, let's get another bite out. After I lost a raggy, a lot of grass moved in, so we just decided to come to Jongersfontein, and the watercolor here is a lot cleaner, it's more of a bluish color, so it must be slightly warmer. So we're just going to look for, maybe we can catch a big bronzy or hammerhead, and if you're lucky, a yellowtail. That'd be lekker. So we're going to throw some hammerhead baits out, or baits for hammerhead, and if there's a yellowtail in the area, it will chow it. I'm certain of it. So yeah, let's hope my day can finally turn and work out for the better, because it's been terrible today actually. Jeez, a lot of bad luck. Alright, let's get a bait in the water. Okay, so we just got to the spot. Water looks lekker. And I'm not going to go too light on the tackle, but still going not with a full metal, just like a biting trace with 1.2 at the back. Slightly heavier than your normal biting trace, but not as heavy as a full metal. And then a chocker and mackerel bait. This isn't the neatest bait ever, but yeah. Zandre met die camera still on. Sorry for that, guys. Zandre is behind the camera and he's putting the camera all over the show. So yeah, there we go. Chocker bait. Let's see what we can get. Okay. Kom hierdie kant toe. Well, there is Andre on. His first throw. Moet jy klim op daarbo? Jy kan. Staan vas, nee, staan vas. As hy. Bietjie vorentoe. As hy. Mooi, boetie. Mooi, hou moet jy hou. As hy, trek hom mooi. Die sop aan groen grasse is glad, né? Nee, gaan vorentoe weer. Okay, kom op hierso bo. Okay. Trek. Trek op. Trek, hier kom hy. Dat is mooi. Trek hard. Trek hard, je moet aan het trek. Dit is je bluefish special, lekker. Ja, hou net daar. Hou net zo. Beide rotsen. Trek. Trek nog, trek hard, trek weer. Je moet op trek nou, trek hem, die clips van, trek hem hard, trek hem vannig hard. Trek hem hard. Weer, nog een, die, trek hard vannig, je moet hem lucht nou, Je moet hem lucht, hij gaat bij de clip, als hij, hou hem. Trek, vannig. Mooi. Trek weer, nog een, hard in. Hard. Hou aan, trek hard. Trek hard, je moet hem lucht. Trek hard, mooi, kom maar om. Trek, Zandre, kom Boeta, kom. Well done, Boetie. Trek, vanaf, hij kom om. Je moet hem de trouw die kant. Hou aan trek, vanaf. Hou aan trek, hou vanaf aan trek. Vanaf. Hou aan trek, vanaf. Zie je? Je moet hem trek nou, Boeta, kom, mooi, trek. Hou aan. Ik ga je niet helpen, ik heb je gezegd, je wil visvang met jezelf uithalen, oké? Hoor jij? Trek, je moet niet rust niet, je gaat hem in die rotsen ingaan. Mooi. Trek, Zandre, je moet trek. Trek, Zandre! Trek! Kom, laat hem omswem. Kijk je lijn. Kijk je lijn daar op die klippen. Kijk je lijn, Boetie. Ver. Hoi, Boetie! Ja.
Hij staat dus hier aan iemand dat vervangen.
Dit is tafeltjie, Boetie.
Ja, maar jy het hom op 'n baie moeilike plek gehad.
Uitkyk is bietjie makliker, Boetie.
Hoe staat hij doen?
Jy 5, ek sal nou kyk. Jy moeg? Ja? Boetie, kyk vir my. Jy moeg? Nou net gevinnig. Okay. It was a hell of a fight. And Zandra landed this beautiful hammerhead shark in a very difficult spot. Mooi, Boeta. Okay. Met wat se stok het jy gegooi? Met jy wat?
Bluefish.
Met jou bluefish, ja. Right. Anything between 10 seconds and 3 minutes and you have a bite. Whaler. See his umbilical slit right there. Trek op. Kom maar, trek maar. De regte kant toe gaan waar ons op wil hê, dan trek ons hom hard. Nou moet jy hom trek. Trek vanaf. Die klip uit, daar is. Okay, Zandra with the second one. Kyk maar, Boeta. That's it for today. Hooked a couple of big fish, couldn't convert them. Yeah, I feel so bad that I couldn't show you guys those big fish. It was some proper fish, except for the goat, right? And we're not allowed to catch those. So, yeah. So guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.